Welcome to March Madness, your Miami Association of Realtors interactive calendar for the month of March. Today's service, we're featuring Total Brokerage, your full-service CRM and transaction management system. Once inside Total Brokerage, you can access your CRM, view your contacts, add your contacts manually, or import your contacts from a CSV file. Once inside of your contacts, you can access the email marketing by selecting Actions on the upper right corner, selecting Send Email. This allows you to send an email blast to all of your selected contacts at once. Total Brokerage also offers templates. These templates have pre-written messages that you can select and add to the body of your email for easy access to send your email blast. Inside of Total Brokerage, you also have access to Transactions. Transactions gives you the forms library, which is your Florida Realtors forms. You can manage your transactions from inside of the Total Brokerage system and also use their email signature available through your membership. This is just one of the many different services offered to Miami members and in the March Madness calendar. We want to thank you for watching and thank you for being a Miami member.